Everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2020 Harris Crowne pontoon boat. This is a 25-foot model. I'm going to go ahead and start with the outside of the boat. This does have a full fiberglass fencing on the outside. That's one of the key features to the Crowne. It looks very sleek and luxurious. If you guys want to go ahead and step inside, I'll show you some of the additional features to this boat. In the front area, there's going to be plenty of storage under all these seats. They all have the hinges right here built in, very strong and sturdy. Next up, I want to show you guys is the ski locker right here. Plenty of room to put your skis, wakeboards, tubes. This boat does have the 8.8-inch fenders with the quick connect system. Very convenient when you're pulling up to the dock. Right in here, I do want to point out one of two subwoofers. The other one's in the back under the power reclining seats. This boat was equipped with the interior and exterior lighting package. That's RGB lights. They change colors, as you guys can see. One of the cool features on this boat, how we ordered it, was with this entertainment center. You got a storage place for your wine. Two drawers right here, and actually has a freshwater tank so you can use the sink right here. Plenty of cup holders and a great entertaining area. Two bar stools. Then coming to the helm, we do have the Simrad touchscreen display. That's your fish finder, depth finder, and navigation. You have a nice glove box in here. USB and audio input right there. All your switches at the arm's reach, a tilt steering wheel, digital throttle and shift right here. If you look up, this boat was equipped with the power tower. With just the push of a button, this tower is going to fold down. That's good for storage purposes and whatnot. This boat also does have a complete double bimini setup. Now moving back here, one of the things I want to show you guys is there's two switches back here. If you push this button, this is a power actuated seat back, so depending on which way you want to face, you can move it and enjoy the sunset or just enjoy the ride. There's a JL Audio transom remote back there, so you can change the station if you're in charge and the captain doesn't want to mess with the stereo. Back here, there's plenty of room to walk around. We have the swim seat right here. If you pull the pin, that's going to drop into the water, and nice little place to hang out, get back on board the boat. This is a 400 horsepower Mercury Verado on here, and plenty of power, but also very quiet. Got the ski tow bar and all the stainless steel fencing that's going to keep you legal to ride back here while underway. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston showing you our 2020 Crowne by Harris Pontoon Boats. Come by and see us soon.